Whistler Secondary School. Whistler Secondary, or WSS, is a public high school in Whistler, British Columbia, and is part of School District 48 Sea to Sky. It is located opposite the subdivision of Alpine Meadows, north of the Whistler townsite adjacent to the Sea to Sky Highway. WSS was established in 1996 with a student capacity of 175 and was expanded to a 375 student capacity with a $3.03 million renovation in 2. Athletics. Whistler Secondary has a long-held rivalry with Pemberton Secondary School in sports such as soccer, basketball, and volleyball. Whistler Secondary also has a hockey and rugby team. Notable alumni: Ashley McIver, 2001 alumna, former member of the Canadian ski cross team and Olympic gold medalist. Julia Murray, 2006 alumna, Canadian ski cross team member, e-cross team member. Marielle Thompson, 2010 alumna, Canadian ski cross team member and Olympic gold medalist. Finn Isles, 2017 alumnus, Canadian downhill mountain bike team member.